Want to use OBS as a virtual camera for streaming? Let me show you how to set it up in just a few steps. First, launch OBS and make sure you've got your screen ready with your overlays, webcam, or gameplay. On the bottom right, hit Start Virtual Camera. This turns OBS into a webcam that apps like Zoom, Discord, or streaming platforms can recognize. Go to the app you're streaming to, say Zoom or Discord, and change your camera input to OBS Virtual Camera. Adjust in OBS. Anything you add or change in OBS scenes, filters, overlays instantly shows up in your virtual camera feed. When you're finished, just hit Stop Virtual Camera in OBS to turn it off. And that's it. Your OBS is now a virtual camera for pro-level streaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.